In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use Docusign Powerforms updated for 2026, 5 minutes. Powerforms are self-serve links that let people start and complete your Docusign documents without you manually preparing each envelope. They're perfect for repeatable forms like consent agreements, intake forms, or standard requests where signers can identify themselves and complete everything on their own. Start by logging into your Docusign account. Once you're in, head to the Agreements area. This is your main hub for templates, documents, and the Powerforms workspace. From there, open the Powerforms view. If you don't see Powerforms, note that this feature is available on upgraded plans. If it's missing, it's likely a plan or permission limitation, so check with your account admin or review your plan details. If you have access, choose Create Powerform. You're setting up a reusable form link here, so think about who will use it and how you'll share it. Give your Powerform a clear name that your team will recognize later, and write an email subject that makes sense to recipients. Keep the subject concise and specific so it stands out in their inbox and is easy to search for later. Next, open the Options tab to fine-tune the experience. Configure security settings such as email validation to ensure the right people are completing the form. If you expect high volume or want to limit access, set usage limits so the link can't be overused or shared beyond your intended audience. Add clear recipient instructions that explain what the form is for, approximately how long it takes, and any documents they should have ready. This reduces confusion and support questions. When everything looks good, click Create. Immediately test the generated link to make sure the flow works the way you expect. Open it in a fresh browser session and review the signer experience from start to finish. Check required fields, signature placements, and any conditional logic you rely on. If anything feels unclear, refine the name, subject, or instructions and retest. Once you're confident, copy the Powerform URL and share it where your audience will find it. You can embed the link on a web page, include it in emails, or place it behind a button labeled with a clear call to action. After sharing, you can return to the Powerforms page to monitor activity and manage the link as needed. That's it. With a clear name, thoughtful options, and a quick test, your Powerform becomes a reliable, self-serve signing experience you can reuse over and over.